Hi, my name is Matt Larson here. We're in the InfoComm 2026. I want to show you a couple things with DiGiCo. This is the Quantum 112. It's a small format desk. Actually, we won Best in Show here at InfoComm. What's great about this is the amount of channels that I can get into it, so it's 80 inputs, gives me the ability to come over to my master screen here under my session structure, and you can choose how many mono or stereo aux sends or groups that you want. In addition, it still has a 12 by 8 matrix. When we look at the back of the desk, it actually has 16 of the 32-bit John Stadius microphone preamps, 8 of the Stadius 32-bit output cards, 2 channels of AES, MIDI in, out, and through, headphones on the front and the back of the desk, as well as GPI, GPO, 4 MADI ports, DMI ports, and it's got a built-in Dante port. Now that Dante port is built in. I can actually connect a Fourier engine right to that, and it has all the Fourier data that actually allows me to have those plugged in and actually show the data of the Fourier engine right on the touch screen. The other option you can add if you want would be HMA or ST optics, okay? So this is the Quantum 112. Thanks a lot for coming by the show. Have a great day.